Hello everyone, welcome back to Vegg'n Gardening with me, Kate, where we talk about Zone B gardening from week to week. However, it has been a couple weeks since my last post, so here's what's been going on for the last couple weeks. And we got a kitten! Yay! So here is the first week's seeding. This is the, what's it called? Gosh, why do I keep blanking on the name? This is spinach. This is a kitten. And then this is lettuce, which pretty soon I'm going to have to thin out. Those really old seeds are actually doing really well. So I've got a ton if anybody wants any. And then here is the second week's seeding. This is the indeterminate cherry and plum tomatoes. Let's give them a little scrooch. That guy will pop back up. Or not. So their true leaves are just coming in. And earlier this week I planted onions, kohlrabi, and peppers. So I also found these great half flats just online. They come in really handy when you don't want to seed a full flat. So I'm going to be probably using these a lot. This first seeding of kohlrabi will be going under covered beds, so that's why I'm able to seed them so early. And I'm hoping to get probably 4 crops of kohlrabi this summer. Last year I got maybe 3, so I think we can push it to 4. And the peppers, I'm gonna, just like the indeterminate tomatoes, I'm probably going to try and seed them a few times just in case there are any seedling failures. Last year I had a lot of odd issues with my tomato and pepper seedlings, so just trying to get a couple seedings in. This weekend I'm going to plant basil and yellow Patterson onions. These last onions that I just planted earlier this week are blush onions, so they're kind of pink, which is pretty cool. And then I'm going to try and clean up more of my grow room. As you can see, I'm starting to need some space. And then I'm going to continue working on the bed frame covers. I'm building wooden frames with a plastic sheet to go over my garden beds to make a little greenhouse. So I would really like to get that going because the first couple things to go in the first bed is going to be this lettuce and the kohlrabi, eventually the tomatoes, but not at first. So I'd really like to get that done before they need to go out. But yeah, let me know if you are doing anything in particular for your garden this week, and I will see you next week. Thank you. Bye.